Hi friends, happy to share with you all a few of my IKEA purchases which I did a few months back. I feel they are exclusive items which are all priced $2.99 when I bought them some time back. One of the item the price has gone up, but the details of which are given in the description below. These are non-kitchen items. I found each of these products interesting and exclusive, and so I thought I'll share it with my viewers. I'm sure you'll love the products and also the review. This is FJANTIG. This is a pack of 3 hooks which I bought it, but I have not used it yet. Black color, and it is multi-purpose. You can hang anything, and also any part of the house, including bathroom. I mainly bought it because it looks very attractive. They are the hooks in the form of chairs, so I'm sure it will look nice on the wall. So you can use it either on a wall or on a tile in the bathroom. So depending on that, you have to fix it. Use proper screws for that. This is how it will look. So I'm not yet decided where I'm going to put it, but definitely I'm sure it will be of good use. And this pack of 3 costs $2.99. You can even gift it to someone. It looks really cute, and it's quite sturdy, so it can withstand even things like bags, headphones, anything, your cap. As you see, it comes with a manual. They have shown how to fix it on the wall. This is FLÖRT black color remote control pocket. As you see, there are 4 pockets. This is for mainly for keeping remote controls. It could be of TV or set-top box or your AC or even your DVD player. 4 of them, and it is black in color. It can be fitted on top of the armrest of a sofa or even underneath a mattress pad. So I'll show you how it is fitted. So you can see it is so long. It is made of 100% polyester. There is an opening here. Actually, there is a galvanized steel bar. This steel rod is what acts as a counterweight, because when you put the remotes, it should not fall down because of the weight. So this acts as a counterweight, and that balances. As you see, this is how it goes. When you put the remotes, that steel bar will balance it and it will not let it fall down. And one more speciality is there is even a place for newspaper or magazine. How beautiful it fixes. Isn't it a nice product for 299 rupees? This is JUSTINA Chair pad, and it is made of polyurethane foam, and the fabric is cotton. And you see, it is like a trapezium, wider side. IKEA has designed this chair pad for some of their model chairs, but I picked it up for my own chair, which I have been having for more than 20 years. I'll show how it fits in that. Some viewers have asked me why I don't remove this tag. This is not a price tag actually. This actually gives care instructions, like wash care instructions, and also the product code and barcode and their product number, and also dimensions. It's actually a ready reference for me to how to clean and everything. So instead of going to the website and checking every time, if this is there, it helps me to get an idea of how to take care of the particular product. By the way, this product is made in India. So this is the 25-year-old Moderna chair, the Blowplast company which used to make VIP suitcases. So it has served us very well. It is, you can see it's very strong and sturdy even now. So it was always comfortable as it is, but I used to always feel that if there was a cushion, it would have been better. And luckily, when I saw it in IKEA, and that too in grey color, I picked it up for this chair. And it so happened that it somewhat got fixed rightly. As you see, it has got this hook and loop fasteners. There is a velcro, and it fits perfectly in this. And because of this cushion stays firm, and it gives good support as well. It is very comfortable because of the foam. And one more thing is, it can be used on both sides. You can keep it this side as well. So because you can use it on both the sides, there will be even wear and tear, and also you can even delay your washing frequency. One more interesting product from IKEA. This is STARTTID bag. It's a medium-sized polyester bag. The speciality of the bag is it can be used as a backpack, and it has got a reflective effect which makes it more visible in the dark. Ideally, when you go out with this bag in the dark, either by walk or on a two-wheeler, it becomes more visible and keeps you safe. When light falls on it, it reflects and it becomes more visible. So while you wear it as a backpack in the night, it acts as a reflective jacket. So this is a FIXA 200-piece wood screw set. So what is special about it? It's a set of screws, 200 screws, and two different type of screws in various dimensions. You can see I've placed it here. There are two types actually, the round headed and the countersunk. 25 pieces of each one of them, so 8 into 25, 200 pieces are there. That's why it's a 200 screw set, wood screw set, because it fixes wood to wood and wood to non-wood, like shelf to bracket. The screws are made of galvanized steel to protect against corrosion, and they are basically used for indoor use. And the dimensions are given in the back. The number of pieces and the dimensions are given. See, the beauty of this box is doesn't get mixed up, because the lid is tight enough and it is touching till here, so it is partitioning it properly such that the screws don't mix up. You might be wondering what is special about this. The cost of this is $299, and if you go to buy separate screws it might be expensive. We felt it is very reasonable, because earlier we used to keep all our screws like this in small containers, those earlier days film roll boxes, but we had to search for screws. Okay, we used to have stickers on them to mention what is inside, but still invariably it used to get mixed up. So when we saw this in IKEA, we felt this is a very ideal thing for our household, because my husband keeps doing all these things, small fixing up. So we felt this was ideal, and we thought this is a very practical product which every household should have.